Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to notify everyone or to tag everyone in Microsoft Teams desktop application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client, and then you will need to connect with your Microsoft Teams or Outlook account and then just follow the simple steps. So after you succeed in opening your Microsoft Teams application, you will need just to go to the Teams menu or to the Teams page, and you will find it here in this navigation bar, and just click on Teams. And we click on Teams, and basically you will need to go to a channel, or for example, let's go to this team and go to the general page, and then we need to start a conversation. So basically, to tag or to mention everyone, you will need just to click like that and search for either everyone or just add the name of the page, or I mean the channel. So for example, general, and this way it will tag literally everyone in this channel. So basically, if you were in a chat here, for example, you can do like that, the address thing, and do the keyword everyone. And as you can see, it is already highlighted. That means it will notify everyone on what you want to tell them. So basically, let's suppose that you want to go to a channel 0. I'm going to start conversation, and I'm going to do like that, and then I'm going to tag the channel 0, and this way it will tag everyone in this channel or all the member of this channel. It will tag them, and announcement, for example, announcement, and just tell them the message that you want, new homework or anything, and then they will be notified of it, and they will receive all a notification with the message that you have just pinned with or added with this tag. So basically, this is the way to notify everyone in a chat in Microsoft Teams desktop application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.